a new vlog. We are on our way to visiting Ronda, and we stop somewhere on the road because the landscape is so beautiful. If you choose to come from Marbella to Ronda, the road is very spectacular, let's say like this, and you'll have lots of viewpoints where you can admire the landscape. There are not too many places to stop the car, but you can admire on your way up. We stopped at one of them, and I have to tell you about the smell of the pine trees. It's amazing as well, so fresh. I love it. And this is the view at the moment, but we had like lots of views during our way here. Somewhere far away you can see Gibraltar Strait and the African continent as well. It's the view is insane.
When they found out we ran from home just to scare them, we were free. When we were 17.
We have another stop on our way to Ronda. We stopped to see some birds. I think there are some eagles or something like that. Maybe small eagles, I don't know. Look how many. Probably they have lots of food here that there are so many. Maybe they have rabbits or something like that.
I wish I could turn back.
We arrived in Ronda and we found the free parking as well. The place is called Juan Carrillo Diaz. And we arrived at the commercial center as well. And this is the first beautiful building that it comes in our way. We found a church, a very nice church here. It's called Iglesia Santa Cecilia, I think, because the writing is a bit off. It looks very old, very nice, Spanish style. Near the church is this colorful street as well, with old houses, with this beautiful entrance here. So traditional.
When we were younger, we used to sit on the grass and go, damn, I don't wanna grow old. Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace. We didn't mind sitting out in the cold. It wasn't possible to make us embarrassed. We were free.
If there's something shocking here in Spain, I don't know. If you see this van, the driver just left the car like with the engine on, and he kept running all this way. I don't know. He's so brave doing this. And now we are heading to a beautiful building here in Ronda. Let's see what building is. This place is called Plaza del Socorro, and we have this beautiful church and another building here. I think it's an administrative building or something, with these lovely balconies. And on our way to bridge, we found a very beautiful restaurant at the end of on this street. We have a very beautiful building. It looks like medieval building. Yeah, and as I said, there was a very beautiful building at the end of this street, and apparently this is the bullfighting ring. We are near the bullfighting area. This building can be visited even though there's not a bullfighting. Please, if you have the chance to visit a bullfighting, don't do it. I think it's too sad. An animal have to die for this. For our entertainment. I know it's like they say it's gonna be used for meat, but it's still too. I think it's too hard to watch. We are now in Plaza España. The bridge from above. Look how nice you can see the town on the other side of the river. Look at this view. We are so high, I can't believe it. Look how tiny are the houses. And if you wonder what's this music, there's someone here playing an instrument. I don't know the name of the instrument. This bridge can be visited inside as well. The price is €2.50 per person. Let's see what it's about. We have these stairs. Oh my god. The view is amazing. I've seen photos of this city, but I didn't expect to be that beautiful. I'm always surprised. I know. I think it's the nicest thing in the world to be able to travel and discover places. And definitely Spain is one of the most beautiful countries that you can visit. Let's see this side first. Maybe we have a better view over the bridge. Although there are some olive trees here, I don't know how good it's gonna be. Look how tall it is. I can't see the bottom. And the river is somewhere down there. I barely can see it. We have this entrance that can be visited, and we're gonna visit now. And we have another entrance, but it can't be visited. And let's see what's on the other side of the bridge. Wow. Wow. That's all I can say.
I've been waiting all my life for someone like you. I would watch the days go by, wasted in blue. I was out of use, now every day.
We are crossing the bridge now. This is the view right in the middle. Mirador de Aldejuela. Found this beautiful building. It looks so authentic, and this one as well. This one wasn't renovated either, with old doors.
Right by your side. Now every day, every night, every moment with you.
And now we are heading to one of the viewpoints over the bridge. It's one of the most Instagrammable places here in Ronda. and we have like a kind of long hike, but not difficult. The only problem is it's too hot outside and I'm wearing a dress which is not really appropriate for the hike. We're walking down between almond trees. We arrived at the viewpoint. I don't know if you can see down on the bridge is a mini waterfall. This bridge is really impressive. I love these narrow streets, but the only thing is this cobble, the pavement, it breaks my legs. It's not very comfortable walking on this, but it looks nice. And we arrive at the palace of Mondragon, Museo de Ronda. And we are now into the Museum of Ronda. And this here is the city. Here is the bridge that we visited.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We're living like this could be our final day. We're dreamers. Don't care what the others say. We're doing this in our way. We come alive in the nighttime. There's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. We come alive. We come alive. What's your weakness? What's your type? Somehow I wanna know all about you. Deep connection lights a spark. You already know me when we dance in the dark. We're dreamers. We're living like this could be our final day. We're dreamers. We're doing this in our way. We come alive in the nighttime. There's something about her.
And with this place we finish our visit in Ronda. There are more places to visit, but unfortunately we don't have time because we have a very busy itinerary and we plan visiting other places as well. Definitely you can spend 2 or maybe 3 days here and not get bored because the city has lots of things to offer. We finish our vlog as well. Until next time, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you very much for watching and I see you guys next time.